Welcome to the Spreadex weekly financial market preview. It's Tuesday, 12th of June 2018, and looking at Safestore holdings. We've got half-year figures on Thursday.
Yeah, half-year figures on Thursday. Safestore's had a really fantastic 18 months. I think since the start of 2017, it's up 61%. At the start of June, it hit all-time highs of around 575. It was only there briefly, but then it's not pulled back too much. I think it's trading at 550. And in terms of its figures, sort of like befit that kind of rise. I think revenue was up 9.8% at constant exchange rates in the first quarter, so I think £35.1 million. Like-for-like sales were up, I think, around the 5% mark as well. This was despite a drop in average storage price of, I think it was a 4.8% drop to £25.95. I think it compensated for that decline with an 11.2% rise in sort of its maximum lettable area. So that, maybe reducing prices but increasing just the sheer amount of space they can let out, and that has benefited the stock and seems to have been the right way to go. In terms of its half-year figures on Thursday, I think investors are going to want to see a continuation of that kind of momentum. Ideally, get that full-year revenue, half-year revenue, up to sort of the double-digit mark. If they are going to do that, I think they need their Paris division, to sort of increase and pick up speed a bit. I think that in the first quarter, Paris saw a 5.5% rise in revenue. Ideally, it needs to get that to the 6-7% mark if it is going to hit double-digit revenue growth at constant exchange rates on Thursday. From our clients' perspective, despite it being very high at the moment at 550, our clients are still buying at 550. I think they've been buying since it's been on its rise at the start of 2017. It's just doing very consistently well in the last 18 months, and our clients are looking for that to continue in the second half of the year.
Okay, interesting. Thanks, Connor.